Hello, good morning everyone. Welcome back to our online session arranged by Bruhan Mumbai Mahanagar Palika. We will today revise a civics chapter, second chapter, diversity in society. So let's join your hands for prayer. All of you, my voice is audible?
Yes.
Okay. Yes, all of you join your hands. Sit straight, close your eyes. Yes, let's start the prayer. Father, we thank thee for the night and for the pleasant morning light, for rest and food and loving care and all that makes the day so fair. Help us to do the thing we should, to be to others kind and good in all we do, in work or play, to grow more loving every day. Thank you, God. Yes, rub your hands, all of you. Please rub your hands. Very good. Apply on your eyes. Yes. Yes, today we will going to learn diversity in society. This interesting topic. As you know, what is diversity? Diversity means a many religious, many language, cultural, customs and traditions in Indian society. So we are living in diverse society, and diversity is a mark of our rich cultural heritage. Okay, childrens. So we having different language in India, as you know. For example, can you tell me how many languages are there in India? People are speaking in different languages. So anyone please tell me how name the languages. For
Name
example,
them.
Marathi. Yes, name the languages.
Okay, Miss. Hindi, Gujarati,
Very good.
Marathi,
Very good.
and
Yes.
then
Urdu,
Urdu and Tamil,
Kannad. Yes.
Kannada,
Tamil, Telugu.
and
Yes.
Punjabi,
Punjabi, very good. Kannad.
Kannada.
Yes, Kannad. Okay. So these all are different languages. So we live together. We having a different festivals also and cultural event also in different ways. So our country consists of religious with different historical places also where this diversity is shared and celebrated. Okay, so we worship a different gods according to our culture, according to our language, according to our tradition. So let's start the topic. So in this topic, we will going to learn diversity in society, and in details, diversity is our strength. What is secularism? Principle of secularism, cooperation, and what is tolerance. These all different things we will going to learn. Now, what is the objective of this lesson? Students will able to understand the diversity and how the government give everyone right to live peaceful. Yes, we should live in peaceful. Now, meaning of diversity. What is diversity? Diversity. Can anyone tell me what you can see in this picture? Yes, many different languages are there. Many different cultures are present.
Different language, different religion, different tradition, different
Yes,
values,
yes,
different
very good.
different
Different
culture.
religions, different language, they having different tradition, they having different values, they having different thinking in one India only. They having different culture, different food, different lifestyle, different festival, and different attire. Attire means their dress. Okay, so this they having all different. So this is diversity. And to live with different groups, they experience coexistence, means to cooperate with each other with the help to increase the level of understanding. So we have to increase our level of understanding. We have to tolerate each other. Okay, so we even adopt certain traditions from other. Yes or no? We are making idli also, as idli is making in a staple food of the South Indian people. So if we are not South Indian, then too we are eating idlis. Okay, so many things we are making and we are sharing our customs and tradition. This helps to increase the feeling of what? Unity. Yes, in the society. So this social unity help us to face many natural and social calamities together. So whatever we are facing, we will face together. Okay. Now, next topic. Diversity is our strength. Yes, as already I told you, we have to coexistence, means we have to cooperate, we have to understand each other. This is a main thing for diversity. So it acquaints us with each other, tradition, customs, and ways of life. We learn to respect each other, the way of life, how we are living. So we even adopt certain tradition from others. Yes or no? Yes. This helps us to increase the feeling of unity in the society as we are living together with a unity, feeling of unity, because different languages, different tradition in the world also. This is a world language. Spanish, English, Arabic, French, Hindi, Thai, okay, German, Italian, Roman, Dutch, Polish, Bengali, ये सब different languages है. So we are speaking different language, but then too we are living in one world only. So this help us to increase the feeling of unity in the society. This social unity help us to face the many natural and social calamities together. Now, what is principle of secularism? First of all, what is secularism? So secularism means what? To secure ourselves. Who will secure? Government will secure. The belief that Religion should not influence or be involved in the organization of society, education, government, so etc. That is secularism. Means government should not involve, we should not involve, sorry, any caste system for our education and society. So this government will look after. India is an important secular nation of the world. So see, India is an important secular nation of the world. We have a great linguistic and religious diversity in our country. Linguistic means many different languages. In order to preserve this diversity in a sound and healthy manner, we have accepted the principle of secularism. Okay, so no religion is recognized as a religion of our country. Every person has a freedom to worship as per their religion of their choice. Yes, everyone has a choice to choose their own God. So there can be no discrimination among the people on the basis of their religion. The people, all religion are treated equally by the state. So have you understood what is the secularism? Secularism means to secure ourselves. Now who will read this first point? Anyone please? Hello.
Teacher, may I read? Opportunities
Yes.
for education.
Opportunities.
For
Yes.
education means of livelihood and government
Yes.
job are made available to all. There is no
All.
discrimination on the basis of
Of
religion.
religion. Very good. Wait. Yes. Opportunity for very good, beta. Opportunities for education means of livelihood. Means we have to live together, and governments are giving us equal opportunity for a government job of any caste, for any religion. Government is providing a government job to everyone. There is no discrimination on the basis of religion. And next thing, there are a special provision in the constitution for the protection of religious and linguistic minorities. So minorities are giving more importance. So they also gave a equal opportunity for each and every government facilities. So minorities are free to protect and preserve their linguistic and cultural identities. To secure their identities, government helps them, and they are also free to bring about the development of their own communities through education. Means they having their own education system also to secure their own community. The principle of secularism has helped to maintain religious harmony in Indian society. Okay, so this secularism helps to maintain the harmony, means to maintain the peaceful environment in our Indian society. So this is a main and important core element of this diversity, secularism. Now, what you can see in this picture, what the boy is thinking, who will tell me? The contribution of society to our development. What is the contribution of our society? This boy is thinking. What is the contribution of our society for ourselves to develop our human being, to develop our society, to develop our nation. So what do we learn by living in a society? What we learn, what values, qualities do we imbibe? So what we learned and what values we imbibe, we will learn to live in a diversity, to live in a coexisting, means to live in a cooperative manner. We also learn to understand each other, okay? To respect each other, to respect each other's religious things, okay? To tolerate each other. We learn these things in our society. Okay, students? Hello. Now, what we will adjust, what we will cooperate. We should cooperate each other. So society is based on mutual cooperation. This is a main thing. We have to mutually cooperate with each other. Otherwise, many conflicts will arise. So we have to adjust with each other. We have to adjust our community. We have in community also. We have to cooperate with our friends also. We have to cooperate in our family also. Our family cannot remain together without any attitude of cooperation among its member. Yes or no? Cooperation is there, and cooperation is a process. This is a process of sharing, helping each other in solving the problem and resolving the difficulties. So the same is the true of society. If lack of cooperation is there, then what happen is, if cooperation is not there, then hampers our progress. It hampers our success. Okay, it stops our success. So cooperation makes independence in the society healthier and allows inclusion. Okay, so family cannot remain together, and the same is true for society. Okay, have you understood? So it is a process for inclusion. Cooperation gets interdependent. Cooperation get interdependent in society to make it healthier. And day-to-day life will also run smoothly. It is a process of inclusion and of moving ahead, taking along all section of society. See, what is the picture showing? All are standing here. The one man is giving hand to another to take him inside in a circle. So this is a main picture or a main theme what we have to role in our society. We have to cooperate each other. We have to cooperate in your class. You have to cooperate in your family. Okay. So as we learn what is diversity, what is cooperation, now what we will going to learn the tolerance. Yes, we have to tolerate each other and understanding. Tolerance means understanding. With the cooperation in the society at the times, there comes of different of opinion, disputes and conflicts. Yes, many conflicts and many disputes means मतभेद बोलते हैं हिंदी में, ये होते हैं when if we are living together. But what we have to do, we have to give respect to others opinion. Yes, disputes and conflicts arises when there is a lack of agreement in the opinions. Okay, as a lack of agreement means agreement, manyata. Okay, so ideas and views of the people we should be accepted. We should accept the others' opinion. We should accept the others' ideas also. We have to share our ideas also, and we have to accept the others' opinion and views also for a betterment of our society, for our main success. So, however, it is in nobody's interest to keep a conflict going for a long time. Yes, we have to solve the conflicts. So, thus conflicts can end if people makes effort for understanding and tolerance with each other and show a spirit of tolerance. Okay, students, have you understood? Are you listening? Please reply. Now let's move another thing, an opportunity for perform the different roles, as if we tolerate with each other, if we'll cooperate with each other, if we'll if we having a secular system in our society, so what happens? An opportunity to perform the different roles. So if we are performing the different roles, someone is doctor, someone is teacher, someone is nurse, someone is scientist. Okay, so society we play different roles, individual seva roles and responsibilities. Duties of every role is defined. So we have to do our duty best. Okay, play roles, home and outside, where we have to play our roles at our home also and at the outside also. We should not forget our role. Change may occur in the part we play. Okay, if anything is necessary, we have to change ourselves for betterment of our society. While playing this role, each individual has a several role and several responsibilities. So we have to perform our role best in every aspects. Okay. Now, all students look carefully what you can see in this picture. See how many roles we have to perform. This is you. Okay. This is you. In a younger age, you are a student. Okay. Afterwards, you became a son. Then you having a many friends in our society. Okay, members of friends of a children's society. You are a cleanliness ambassador, sports person, class representative, members of our friends circle in the society. Okay, and lastly you will become a grandson and granddaughter of your grandparents. So this all are the different roles we all are performing in our life. So we having a different responsibilities for each roles. We have to perform different cooperations among them. We have to tolerate each other. Okay, so we have to tolerate our society. We have to understand our society and we have to play our roles, different roles. Okay, so this is a textual picture and this is an example how much we have to perform our role. Okay, now how to regulate our society, regulation of a society, how to perform a society. In order to, for a smooth functioning of a society, some rules are required. Yes or no? Everywhere having a different rules. In your home having a rule, in your school having a rule. Okay, government is giving us rule, that all rules we have to follow because we have to maintain our society. In ancient times, society was the most regulated with the help of the tradition. But in modern times, along with tradition, laws are needed. Okay, so different laws should be, laws means rules. Law is a different form of tradition and customs. So we have to follow these different laws. But in modern times, along with tradition, as laws are needed, laws is different from traditions and customs. The regulation society through a law and tradition is carried out by different organizations. A. C. The regulation of society through laws and tradition is carried by different organization and institution. For example, government organization, NGOs are helping us. NGOs are helping to our people or our public also and government also. So this all are the institutions and organization. Government bodies at the local level also plays an important role in the process of regulation of the society. So different bodies, for example, government, different institution, for example, NGOs, they are helping us to make a laws, to make regulate our society for our betterment. Okay, have you understood, children? Hello. So, have you understood the regulation of society, how to cooperate with each other? What are your different roles? What to understand? What is the meaning of secularism? Have you understood? Hello, please reply.
Yes, teacher.
Yes, okay. Now, anyone please read what we learned today. Key terms. What we learned, please read.
Miss, can I read?
Yes, you can read. Read loudly.
Miss, key terms, na?
Yes, what we learned.
Okay.
Key terms. Read the key
Key terms.
terms.
Key terms: diversity,
Yes.
secularism,
Secularism. Yes.
cooperation,
Yes.
tolerance,
Yes.
regulation, community,
Prejude.
prejudice, microconception,
Misconception.
misconception, conflict, peace.
Yes. Peace. Very good. These all are the key terms or a main important words from this lesson. You have to remember that, and you also have to learn all textual question and answers. Okay. So take down your homework. Write 3 names of your friend. Friend 1, friend 2, Arjun, Rajan, Rohan, for example. And what you have to do, you have to write the languages, which languages they are speaking, which religious they having, from which religion, which food they are eating, okay, which festivals they are celebrating, which clothes they are wearing, and place of worship, which god they are praying. Okay, so you can take screenshot of this homework and please do this homework today. Okay, students? Yes. Now, thank you all of you for listening this period. Thank you everyone. Goodbye. Take care.